Hi everyone, welcome to iTheSphere. In this demo, I'm going to tell you how you can import your Flickr photos into iTheSphere and get photo prints made from them, or use them to create some cool products like t-shirts and mugs. Now Flickr, just in case you don't know, is a very popular online photo sharing service and lots of people already have their photos stored onto their Flickr accounts. However, Flickr does not offer online photo printing in India. So if someone wants to get prints of his or her photos, they will have to upload all of those photos again to a printing service. So we thought, why couldn't we find a middle path allowing people to import their Flickr photos into iTheSphere? So that is exactly what we've done, and I'm going to show you how. I will log into my existing iTheSphere account. In case you don't have one, you can just sign up. So we are logged in and this is the welcome screen. Now if I go to my photos page, there is a shiny new tab here called Flickr. Let's see what do we have here. To get your Flickr photos, the first thing that you need to do is authorize iTheSphere to access your Flickr account. I'm redirected to my Flickr login screen. Let me log in. And the last step in the authorization process is allowing iTheSphere to access your photos. Now please note that at no point during this process does iTheSphere store your username and password. It is only used by Flickr itself to log into your account and complete the authorization. So the process is totally secure. So are we going to allow it? We shall. Great, I have been authenticated. Time to go to my Flickr photos. And there, I now have all my Flickr photos in my iTheSphere account. You can access pretty much all the stuff you have on Flickr. So I have a nice drop down list of my tags here, a list of my photo sets. If you want to see your photos in a tag cloud, you just need to click on the tags link like this, and we even have a photo sets view. In fact, you can even search just the way you would do it on Flickr. To order some photo prints, all you need to do is select the photos that you want and click on order button. They get added to my shopping cart. Let us see what do we have in my shopping cart. So this is my shopping cart. Here are all my Flickr photos. You can specify print sizes here. You can specify the finish of your paper, etc. I'm just going to leave everything at default right now. The important thing to note here is that I don't have a Flickr Pro account. The difference between Flickr Pro accounts and free Flickr accounts is that Flickr does not provide access to your original images. So based on the largest image that Flickr provides, your images will be printable in sizes 5x7 or less. So now all we need to do is click on the checkout button. From here you can review your order and click on move to payment, from where you can specify your payment details and complete your order. Hang on, we are not done yet. The real cool thing which you can do besides ordering photo prints is make some designs using your Flickr photos and put them on t-shirts and mugs. So let me go back to my photos page and I will quickly show you how we can do that. We click on the create button. Let's create a t-shirt. Now this is iTheSphere's design tool called the Doodle Pad. To add some photos, we click on the add photos button. And just like it was on my photos page, I have a Flickr tab here from where I can pick some Flickr photos. So let us do that. I am going to pick some photos from my convocation. I will pick this one, and this one. Add selected. The photos have been loaded. To add them to my design, I just need to drag them onto my canvas, from where I can resize them like this. I can move them around and I can even rotate them. So there, I have put some photos on my t-shirt. Let me add some text. Again, drag and drop it onto the canvas. Let me say, finally graduated. Let me change the font size. Make the text box a little larger. And there, I have created a t-shirt from my Flickr photos. To order it, I just click on the order button. Let me call it Flickr t-shirt. From here, I can just click on add to cart to add this t-shirt to my shopping cart, and the remaining process is similar to what it was with photo prints. So that is how, using Ithsphere, you can now do a lot more with your Flickr photos besides just sharing them. So feel free to send us any feedback, and thanks for your time.